Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce investment risks with eTrade, full guide step by step clearly. Start by opening the eTrade website or app on your device. Log into your account using your credentials. If you don't have an account, create one by following the registration prompts. Once logged in, navigate to the main dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the layout and available tools. Identify the research tools available through eTrade. Use the stock screener to filter investments based on your criteria. Review market news and analysis that eTrade provides. Consider setting up alerts for significant price movements. Explore eTrade's educational resources for investment strategies. Evaluate your risk tolerance to understand your investment style. Diversify your portfolio to spread out risk across various assets. Make use of eTrade's options for fractional shares to invest smaller amounts. Utilize stop-loss orders to protect your investments from significant downturns. Regularly review your portfolio's performance. Adjust your investments based on changes in market conditions and personal financial goals. Consider consulting with eTrade's advisory services for personalized strategies. Stay updated on market trends using eTrade's news section. Continuously educate yourself about investment principles and risk management. Engage in paper trading to practice your strategies before risking real money. Always be prepared to reassess and adjust your approach as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.